So, hello. Hey, hi, Vaishakh. How are you?
Hi. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also doing great. First of all, congratulations for getting into IE Business School. How are you feeling?
Thank you. It feels great. Like wasn't pretty sure would that I would get in, but
Uh-huh.
thanks to you guys, yeah. So feels really good now.
Great. So, Vaishakh, I wanted to just have a normal conversation with you and understand how was your experience, overall experience with MIMS?
It was great, working with Rusha and Andrea, working with the whole team. It was really nice. Like they were super supportive and helped me clear all my doubts, queries. They were very quick about it, so that
Okay.
overall, like it felt really good. Like it was a good 2 months, yeah.
Great. Can you tell me how do you think like MIMS added value to your application?
Well, to start off, like I didn't have the best of CGPA to, be applying to like the top B schools around.
Hmm.
So I was really hesitant on, how to put myself forth in front of the AdCom. And
Okay.
I think when MIMSA came into the picture, they helped me understand, like they made me realize that I have to focus on my strengths and, to bring out
Mhm.
like how I can make up for what I'm missing.
Right.
And, with all that, I think that's what made my application stand out. But
Mhm.
personally, before MIMSA, I wasn't pretty sure like how to approach, like what all to put forward. So MIMSA, I think gave me that structure on like what to put forward. Yeah.
Great. So, can you
Yeah.
tell me, like, out of all these services, which was the best service you felt, which was the like which helped you more?
I think the help with the essay,
Mm-hmm.
especially the personal statement essay and the scholarship essays,
Mm-hmm.
those were really great. Like they helped me. They took my details like from my childhood to my schooling, my college, and my work experience.
Mm-hmm.
And then curated like what all points from these I have to put forward. While they all again, so that was very personalized for me.
Mm-hmm.
And then again, even for the colleges I was applying, like for different unis I applied, they had different tactics. So like what the AdCom wants from me. So
Right.
to get that everything like noted dodown and to have that structure in place to impress the AdCom, I think that was really fast.
Okay. Great. Good to know. We were like able to provide you with the best service that you deserve,
Yeah,
and
I thank you guys for that. Yeah.
and okay, so lastly, I just want to ask you. You may be knowing few of your friends who will be looking forward to apply for schools abroad, and there are other people who are
Mhm.
still searching. So, what is your suggestion for them? Why should they be opting MIM over other platforms?
Well, see, admission process as a whole, it's very tedious. There's
Mm-hmm.
a lot going on. There are a lot of variables. So, people tend to, lose focus and maybe not have a set path. That
Mm-hmm.
is where I think MIMSA could come in and play a great role, to have someone guide you through the entire process. It
Right.
takes so much of your soul and also the quality of your application
Mm-hmm.
that really amps up. And I think that is also like really great. Like if I were to do this by myself, maybe I wouldn't be the college I'd be going to. So yeah.
All right, great. Thanks a lot, Vaishakh, and like all the best for your future endeavors. And please have fun, enjoy over there, and feel free to reach out to us if you need any help, anything in future.